your type in this house?
Who's your type in this house?
I'm not from here, but all of them for this house no get time.
Who's your type in this house?
What you consider my type?
I like you now.
Cassie, what's your type?
Cassie say you like shit.
You're my type.
What's your type?
Kivo, what's your type?
I've told you now. What's your own type?
Now we ask first. Why you don't?
No, I've told her my own. Wait, why are you asking everybody? Ask me now. What's your type?
What's your type?
You.
I tell you, say, bro. All the shorties love me, bro.
He gonna say. You know they say.
It's fine.
Yes, he's saying
It's fine. I can accommodate them all.
Relationship not the same.
Now I say this guy don't have a type.
See,
Yes, he don't get type.
Man, he just like woman.
Yes, he just like anything likeable.
I have a type.
Oh, guy, you don't get
See, let
time.
me tell you, Grace has something I like.
This guy not support There was a time you said you liked me. These girls, they don't even have anything.
They all have something. I
I'm
like.
not sure he likes me.
See, physically, physically, nature is my spec. Because she's fair, she's tall, and she's beautiful. The reason is my spec because she's sexy. She has a mad sexual appeal.
I said this honest sweet.
That time when I liked Temi, that weak one, because she behaves like a baby. I like girls that do baby things. But she has shown her true colors. With Kivo. I'm so sorry that Kivo has to experience it firsthand. You see, and then Oyin, because Oyin is slim. And she has flat tummy. I like girls that have flat tummy.
Flat tummy is not easy now in Nigeria.
In Nigeria, you see flat tummy. Even gym, sir. If you go in the gym, you will not still see flat tummy.
That's how I get flat tummy.
Who?
That's how I get flat tummy.
Vanessa.
You have not looked well. Look well.
Let me get flat tummy.
Yes.
Not me ask flat tummy.
Flat tummy.
Those bells are flat.
So why you no collect Nomi?
Eh?
Why you no collect?
Nomi is, my man's shorty.
Yeah, our man here. Our man right here. Our man right here.
My man.
Our man right here. My nigga.
So you all the babes now go give you
You be Batman though.
Yeah, but